Hey, look what we got here. We got another package. Hey, what's in the box? Look at this. Wow, nice. It's very nice. Smart bird feeder. All AI bird camera feeder. And I see there, you got the Wi-Fi checked. So this is Wi-Fi also, of course, wireless. And let's take everything out the box. Open it up. The flaps open here. Oh, excuse me. So sorry about that. It looks like here we have some templates right here. Okay, probably instructions are in here too. And let's take this foam out. Put it on the side there. Let's start with this box. Okay. Actually, let's take out the bird cam itself. Looks like this whole unit just comes out. And we can remove this box right here. I'm sorry for the camera there. Hey, here we go. So let me just look in the box. Is there anything in the box? Nope, we don't need the box. Okay. So before we show you the bird feeder itself, let's open this box right here. Let's see what's inside this box. And of course, we got the Wi-Fi antenna right here. We have this. I'm gonna keep it in. I'm gonna just show you real quick, but I'm gonna keep it in there because I don't want nothing to happen to this solar panel. Okay, it's a solar panel with the USB-C. This is what's gonna keep the. It's optional, by the way. You don't need it. You could charge the battery and leave it out there with us without the solar panel if you want, but you got to charge the battery. I believe they said once a month or so. It's kind of like the Ring Wi-Fi, and of course, this is the bracket. One of the mounting brackets for the. One of the mounting brackets right here. Okay, let's put that there. This is for the bird feeder itself. This is gonna go like the bird feeder is gonna go right there. This is where you could put this tray at. For the it's gonna. I'll show you the rest of it. You could put like water in here or other food. Okay, and the bird. This is where the birds are gonna perch on. They're gonna fly and land on this. Some more mounting hardware. I believe this is for the solar panel. Yeah, this is for the solar panel. And then we have some more hardware right here. We have these little blades type thing. They're plastic. They're just you could put fruit on the side. You clip on this here, I believe, and you can put like a lemon or an orange or something. They like that. Birds like fruit also. Cause more hardware here, and of course you got this strap. This is if you're going to put this around the tree, which we're not going to do. I already got in a pole, a dedicated bird feeder pole. And I'm going to make another video on that, unbox that, and then I'll assemble that. That's pretty simple. And then we'll assemble this on the bird feeder pole. Okay? And of course, this is the bird feeder itself. As you can see, it is a, I just got to peel off this thing. Please tear off protection film before use. So this is the webcam itself. As you can see, it's pretty decent size. Back here, we do have the USB-C in here. And of course, you got you put the Wi-Fi antenna right there. Okay, and then they have several mounts. As you can see the bottom. That bracket's going to go here. They do have several mounts. So you could put it directly on the pole like that. Or there's what I have on my pole is an L-shaped mount, which I'm probably going to go that direction more. Because I want a separate area for the solar panel. Okay, and how this bird feeder works is you open this thing up like this. And you fill it in there with the bird seed or bird food. Then it's closed. Okay, just close right there. And of course you're going to see that's all is going to be full of bird seed. And it comes out through there. Gravity, of course. Birds can land right here. But you are going to attach this guy. I don't want to snap it in there, but I'll just show you how more or less how it's going to be. Like, I don't want to snap it in there, and I'm going to have to be able to snap it out. But I'll just show you it'll be something like that. I don't want to snap it all the way in until I take it outside. And then you have the tray. You have the tray for like you can put water in there. And then you have the little one goes here, one goes here. It's a little, well, it looks like a little pointy thing up. You can put a fruit here and a fruit there, or some other bird, like a solid piece of something else. So there's plenty of room there. And of course, you got the webcam right there, and this is wireless. I pay a total of $39.95 with taxes because I had free shipping. Came out to about $43 and change, which is very good price for a bird feeder of this size and quality. Actually, originally this was about half off. The original price on this, I believe, is about $79. Okay, let me zoom out. It's about $79. This one, of course, is $39.99 that I saw it on sale. It's in blue. They do have a yellow one, but that one, it's regular price at $70. I think it's $74.95 or something like that. But I really wanted the blue one anyway because it's one of my favorite colors. Plus, it's the same thing. It's just different colors, but I like the blue. Okay, so there you go. This is the bird feeder. Got it from Amazon. I'm going to be mounting this outside, and then I will be doing some. The only thing I have questions about is the actual Wi-Fi, the camera itself, because a lot of these cameras are very proprietary and they have their own little app, and they're not easily, like I want to live stream with this webcam, right, with this bird cam. The only problem I'm gonna have is once I set it up with the app, hopefully that should be enough to maybe even open it on OBS. That's my goal, is have it on OBS and even stream with it, if possible. I mean, that's what I would like to stream also on it. So that's the only part about. That's the only thing about these. A lot of these cams, I do have like another. By the way, it's an IP camera also. It does have AI software to identify the birds. So I will do that in a separate video once I have it up and running. If I can show that, and I'll show you what it does. Of course, the AI bird cam feature. It's a part of it's a subscription based thing. I don't really care about the subscription based stuff. I just use Google AI or whatever to identify the bird. I actually or even just post a video. I'll put out if I take a picture of a bird or something or a video of it. What I'll do is I'll post it on my channel. I don't know which channel yet that's going to be doing the bird stuff. I'll probably go a couple of channels. And then people can answer the question there, like, what type, do you recognize this type of bird, instead of just AI, telling me what bird, why I pay for that. I understand people got to make their side money, whatever, or upsell. But I'm not a favor of subscription services. I mean, I pay for the camera. I mean, I am going to do the streaming, the Wi-Fi. Why should I have to pay for, so I'm definitely not going to do the subscribing thing. However, though, I will be using other methods to identify the birds. Okay, so there you go. So smart bird feeder right here, $39.95 on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. You can check it out. And then on the next video, I will do the poll. Just show you a quick video on the poll. And then sometime later on today, hopefully, I will set this up as weather permitting. I will probably set everything up, and then we will do another video on the actual use of the bird cam. All right, so there you go. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.